Now it's recording. Basically, integration is reverse process of differentiation. Okay. For example, normally if I give you a y here, and if you differentiate, you are getting dy dx, isn't it?
Yes.
So the reverse process from dy dx for us to get the y again is the integration.
Okay.
For example, let's say for differentiation, the one of the formula, basic formula is axn. So what is the first step you will do? You will multiply with, this is the first step, this is the multiplication, and then you minus 1 here, this is the second step. Now for integration, as I told you, is a reverse process. It's almost the same thing, but it goes the other way around. The second step become the first step. Second step, for differentiation, the second step is minus 1. You do the reverse, plus 1. This is the first step, and then you divide this. That is your second step. So each and every formula in integration is developed by looking at this differentiation formula. They're in a reverse process. Okay, so we're going to do one by one all these things. Now, the first rule in integration is we're going to look at this type of question: axn dx. And if you want to integrate this type of question, is ax n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 and plus c. This is the formula for the first rule. Now, if you can see here that there is a plus c here. So what is this plus c? Integration can be divided into two categories. One is indefinite and definite. Now for indefinite kind of integration, which we are going to do now for some extent, we're going to do indefinite integration first. You will plus c, end of the answer. You will plus c, and the form of this indefinite integration is, for example, like this. This is the notation for indefinite integration. For definite integration, the formation is almost the same, but there's going to be a number here, and this number here is known as limit, and your answer is going to be an integer or a number. Okay, this is what the difference between indefinite and definite. Now we are going to look at all this indefinite integration first, and then only we are going for definite. Are you copying this, or you want me to go just move on?
I'm copying picture.
Okay, once you're done, you let me know.
Okay.
How am I going to communicate with you? Do you have a number or anything?
Yeah, it's a number.
What is your number anyway?
011
019
011.
011
Yeah, 5308
530 5308
8598.
8598. 011 5308 8598. Naren,
Yeah.
eh?
Yeah.
Okay. So Naren, later on, I will send you all the topical question for SPM.
Okay.
Okay, I said I do have a three set of question. Okay, normally
Okay.
for SPM is O level, isn't it? So basically, I have three set of question. One is SPM,
Mm-hmm.
somewhat easy. Another one is IGCSE. Have you heard IGCSE before? International syllabus.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then another one is EdXL. So all these things I'm teaching. So basically, all of them are same. So
Okay.
SPM student, normally I'll give XPM first. It's a quite a bit of exercise I'm going to give you. Later you can see. And then
Okay.
once you finish this, you let me know. Then I'll send you the IGCSE question.
Okay.
IGCSE question, not all you can do because some part is not in your syllabus. So we can choose. We can do that later on. And
Okay.
the hardest part is at Excel. Okay, at Excel is later. Also, I can send you if you finish any one of them. The the base is SPM. Try to do all these things.
Okay.
So I'll send you
It's
SPM first. I'll send you
okay.
SPM first, and since we are doing integration, I suppose the earlier chapter maybe you can do, so you can
Yeah.
start
Yeah.
with that. I have the answer is also there. So whichever you don't know, you may ask me. Uh,
Okay.
you in the class or also by WhatsApp.
Okay.
Uh, our class supposed to be 3 hours. Am I right? In
Yeah.
is two classes. You put 1.5 hours. So today
Okay.
we will do 1 hour. Today we will do 1 hour and see how it goes.
Okay.
Maybe if all is fine, maybe I can add another 2 more hours, like 1 hour and 1 hour, something like that.
Okay.
See how it goes. Huh? All right.
Okay.
You copy this one already?
Yeah. So I have a question.
Yes, yes, yes.
So this plus C is basic integration for basic integration lah.
The plus C is the basic integration you will do.
Basic formula. Base
Yes,
formula.
base formula. The plus C is always going to be there. You will see now, because we are
Okay.
we are in the first rule, isn't it? I
Yeah.
think there is 7 rule something. I think so. I need to go through one by one. 7 or
Okay.
6 rule something like that. It's going to be the C going to be all the way whenever it's an indefinite integration. There's no number here. But if there's a number here, then it's a different story. We
Okay.
will do that. Don't worry.
Okay.
Done with this? Okay.
Done.
Okay. Number one. Exercise one here. For integration, you can take out this out. The number you can take out. The variable inside. The formula is x plus 1 here, divide by 4 plus 1 is actually 5c. So you want to rewrite back again 8 over 5. This is the answer.
Okay.
Copy A and try to do B now.
Okay.
Today we will start. We will stop at 4 o'clock. Okay.
4 o'clock.
Yeah, 4 o'clock. 1 hour. But of course, I started a little bit late. So the plus minus 10 minutes or 15 minutes I will cover in our next class, something like that.
Okay.
So what is the earliest time you can start the class actually?
My school finishes at 2:30.
2:30.
Yeah.
All right. Which means I can start at 3.
Can.
Okay. Then what is the latest? I mean, the what do you call I shouldn't tell late. I mean late hours. How
Uh,
far you can go to the late hours? Because each and every time I ask the student so that I can arrange anything in between that. Yours
actually, I
is
can say late hours.
yours is 3 p.m. to
3 to 5, right?
no. I mean, if in case if I want to have any replacement class, whatever class, what is the late hours class you can have it? Some student
Um,
can go until 10 p.m. Some student can go until 11 p.m. So yours is what is that?
around 8.
8 p.m. Okay. Try to do B first.
Okay.
Your maths is okay.
Maths, also not very okay, but I'm studying also.
If you need help in B, let me know.
Okay. Is it 5 over 96 x cube plus c?
So you take out the integer. Is this your answer?
Yes.
Okay. Try this. Try to do as fast as possible.
Okay. Is it negative 0.234 over 6?
Now, once you're done, just let me know. I'll try the answer.
Okay.
Unless I ask the question answer, you can.
Okay.
So
I'm done.
0 point negative 0.039 x to the power of 6 plus c. You get this?
No.
No. Okay. So in this case, what you have to do? You take out 0.234 and then multiply with
அவதான் அங்க இருக்கு சாமி வீட்டுல வீட்டுல அந்த கம்மல் இருக்கு சொல்லிட்டேன்
which where you did a mistake. Rectify your mistake.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't divide.
Uh, Once done, let me know.
Hello?
Done?
Yeah, done.
Okay. I was waiting for you. Once done, just let me know that. Okay, number 4. Have you learned this in the school? Or this?
Integration teacher.
Yeah.
I wasn't in class for this chapter.
Okay. All right. For this part, number 4. 4 over 5 x to the power of 4 plus over 4. This is the answer. Try to copy and understand. And try to do number 5 now. Of course, we have to put a y here. For practice purpose, I just sometimes I omit the y.
So must do number 5.
Yes. Once copy number 4, do number 5.
Okay.
My voice is clear, isn't it?
Very soft teacher.
Very soft.
Yeah.
Now?
Better.
How come?
So teacher must integrate one by one, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You are using laptop or desktop?
Laptop.
Okay.
Teacher done.
For This is the answer you get.
Yeah, I got the answer.
Okay, here first of all you need to expand this. Square root is 1 over 2, power 1 over 2.
Yeah.
If you expand this, okay, copy this, try to understand and proceed from here.
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Proceed from here.
Oh, proceed. You have to integrate there, right?
Yes, yes. After this you have to integrate. I just simplify for you here.
Okay.
For the recorded video, I try to send you in WhatsApp.
Okay.
If it is too big, then I will try to put it in my YouTube channel.
Okay.
But just give me some time, because after this I have another class. I'll try to do it by today or tomorrow.
Okay.
Hello.
Java.
1 over 2 plus 1 divide 1 over 2 plus 1, what is that?
302.
Yeah, so did you get at this stage?
Yeah, I'm a tested student.
Okay, now if I write like this, do you understand? Can you understand from here to here? If you cannot,
Yeah, how you got the 4
okay.
and 2?
Okay, 4 and 3. Yeah? Now you see, if you have a 2 fraction a, b, c, d, you can write this in multiplication form: a over b times d over c. You flip it out, this one. Can you understand this? Have you seen this before?
No, yeah, teacher, yeah, got it.
Okay, so the same idea I'm using here. If a over cd, this is actually a over 1 cd, so a over 1 multiply dc, you get ad. In other words, if you don't want to go through all these things, if you want to see a shortcut, if you see an integer number on the numerator and a fraction in the denominator, you can straight away write like this. This d will multiply here.
So you just take the d and times upstairs.
Yes, the numerator times the numerator. So you will get this answer. You can either remember like that or you remember the whole process. Okay, you copy this one first. You copy first. Once copy, let me know.
Okay, teacher.
Now there's another thing also. Let's say on the numerator there is a fraction, denominator there's an integer. So in this case, again you have to consider that if general rule, there's a 1 here. So a over b times 1 over c, you get a b c. In other words, if you want to remember a shortcut to here, b times c, you get a over bc.
Okay.
So in our exercise just now, I was using this is the first type. This is first, second. So I was using the first type.
Yeah.
Can you understand now?
Yes, can.
Okay. You're done? Can we move on?
Yeah, wait, teacher, I'm
Yeah,
writing down.
okay. So once you write everything, let me know.
Okay, done.
Okay. Try this.
Okay.
What if you do what? What if you do?
Once you're done, you let me know. I'll write the answer and then you can check.
What?
Okay, wait, teacher.
Your defense fan.
It's done.
So the answer should be, let me write here, 904 x 403. Is this the answer you get?
Yeah, I got the answer.
Try this.
So can you scroll up a bit? I want to copy the second technique you showed. Ah, yeah. Okay, it's done.
Right.
Okay, good.
Number 8. Try this.
Done, teacher.
Is your answer? This one?
Yeah, correct.
Try this.
Okay. So we just integrate or what?
Yeah, integrate. Y equal to, remember just now, y to dy dx is differentiation, isn't it? So now dy dx is given. You want to find the y, you integrate.
Okay. Done, teacher.
Is your answer x cube minus 2? Is it your answer?
Yeah, I'm answer that.
So basically for this question I want you to find y first. Okay, you differentiate, integrate this.
Okay.
Okay, once you integrate this, let me know.
Okay. Done, teacher.
Is your y 2/3
Yeah.
plus 1? Did you get this?
Yes, I got that.
Now they have given you a clue here. When x equal to 4, your y is 6. So you replace that inside this function here, equation here. X is equal to 6, y is 3/2. Your x is 4 to the power 3/2. Replace here and find me what is c.
Okay. Done.
What is your C you get?
-50.
-50?
Uh,
Cannot be. See, let me show you one by one. Okay, can you understand this step? This step.
yeah, understood.
Okay. This is 2.
Very sure. How do you get 16/8?
16/8. Oh, sorry, 2 here. Square root of 4 is 2. This is 2 cube is 8. This is 8. And if you solve this, so C is -22/3. 6
How do
minus
you how do you get the square root of 4?
Can you understand this? From here to here.
Yeah.
1/2 power 1/2 is what? Square root, isn't it?
Yeah. You can just bring in like that.
Which bring in which one? This one
The
from here
one
to
of
here?
two. Yeah, can.
Can. Is index. Is index chapter. Not index, indices and logarithm. Property of indices logarithm, like a m n. You can write it as m o to the power of raised to the power of n, or n inside, m outside also can. So normally what we do, we take the fraction 1/2 put inside first, so that the number becomes smaller, and then you make it bigger. You
Okay.
can also do like this. You can also do like this. Like this. It's just this number become bigger. We don't want to make it bigger and smaller.
Okay.
We want to make it smaller and bigger. Much more easier for us to compute.
Okay.
All done?
Yeah.
So now you rewrite again. This would be the answer. Try this.
So what's the answer for that?
Which one? Number 10?
Number 10.
This is the answer. You rewrite again the equation once you find the C. The C you replace here.
Oh. Wait, let me finish it. Okay, Rishan.
11. If 2:30 your school is finishing, is it possible for you to start at 2:45?
2:45 for teacher.
Is too cramp, isn't it? I mean, too rushing, isn't it?
Yeah, too
Yeah,
rushing.
so okay. Never mind. All right. Is it? Have you done?
Yeah, good.
What is the answer you get?
I have to substitute into the equation, right?
Yeah, you have to find the C.
Okay. C is 3.
Okay, C is 3. So is this your answer? Y equal to x square minus 3x plus 3.
Yes.
Okay. Maybe one last one. Try this.
You have to find y, is it?
Yeah, you have to find. Whenever they give you dy dx, you want to find y, you do just integration. Is your mother there?
Yeah, she's in me here. Sure, I got the
Yes.
answer.
The answer is y equals to x cube 17/2. Is this your answer?
Yeah, that's my answer.
That is your answer?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. We will stop here.